Hello guys, today we are at Kaka Farm. Kaka Farm is a breeder of chicken. They do both mostly Kenbro and Saso and other breeds based on your reservation. So today we are here to integrate our BSF model into their chicken rearing system so that they can reuse the chicken waste to produce chicken feed and minimize or cut the cost of commercial feed. Basically, today what we are going to do is to introduce the 5 days old larvae into chicken waste. So guys, our waste is ready. This is basically chicken waste that has been fermented for several days. It's already in the small buckets. So we are basically going to introduce the 5 days old larvae in this waste. And after 7 days, we will see the results. We'll come to add more waste on it. So basically we have our 5 days old larvae here. It's like that. So the main reason of putting it on top of the waste is that the BSF feed downwards. So they should be on top of the waste. So if you want to integrate this kind of model into your business, kindly reach us through yetunafasi@gmail.com or call us through 0704057579, and we will be there to help you in no matter smaller budget you have to integrate this model into your chicken farm. Thank you.